Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Bosch washing machines, the E10 error code, especially for the 2025 models. If your machine is flashing this code, don't panic. It's usually something you can fix at home with a few simple steps. So, let's get right into it. First off, what does the E10 error mean? In Bosch washing machines, E10 typically indicates a problem with the water inlet. This could be due to no water flowing into the machine, low water pressure, or issues with the inlet valves. It's a safety feature to prevent damage, but it can be frustrating when you're in the middle of a load. Now, let's talk about the possible causes. The most common ones include a kinked or blocked water hose, a closed water supply valve, or even a faulty inlet solenoid valve. In newer 2025 models, this error might also relate to sensor malfunctions, so it's worth checking your machine's manual for specifics. Alright, time for the fun part, troubleshooting. Start by ensuring the water supply to your machine is turned on and the hoses are straight and not bent. Check for any kinks or blockages in the inlet hoses and make sure they're securely connected. Next, run a quick test by turning on the tap and seeing if water flows freely. If that doesn't work, you might need to clean the inlet filters. These are usually located at the back of the machine or where the hose connects. Unscrew them, rinse underwater, and reattach. If the error persists, it could be a more serious issue like a defective pressure switch or inlet valve. In that case, I recommend consulting a professional technician to avoid any risks. Remember, always unplug your machine before performing any maintenance to stay safe. To prevent this error in the future, regularly check your hoses, keep your filters clean, and ensure your water pressure is adequate. That's it for today's quick guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance tips. Leave your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.